In a peaceful village, lived two siblings, Ayesha and Rahim. Their parents, deeply rooted in Islamic values, believed in the importance of education. Each morning, Ayesha and Rahim attended a local madrasa, where they learned about the Quran, Hadith, and the principles of Islam. Their teacher, Ustad Ahmed, was a wise and patient man who taught them not just to recite verses, but to understand their meanings and apply them in daily life. He emphasized the importance of honesty, kindness, and respect, teaching that true Islamic education was about developing good character. Ayesha loved learning about the stories of the prophets, while Rahim enjoyed the lessons on Islamic history. At home, their parents reinforced these lessons through discussions and by setting examples. They prayed together, performed charity, and helped their neighbors, embodying the teachings of Islam. One day, Ustad Ahmed told them, "Knowledge is a treasure, and the key to this treasure is good character." Inspired, Ayesha and Rahim decided to share their knowledge with others. They started teaching younger children in the village, spreading the values they had learned. Through their efforts, the village thrived, becoming a place of harmony and mutual respect, illustrating the profound impact of Islamic education on brothers and sisters.